Unbuckle seatbelt, Larky. Okay? Unbuckle your seatbelt, Batiti. Yeah. Give me high five. High five.
Kainin natin. Hindi, kung depende kung anong sabihin niya.
You have anything sharp, anything breakable?
Ay, the hot dog.
What? Hot dogs?
Yeah, the...
Let's just take a look.
Alright, you guys, dito na tayo sa Himpapawid ulit. This is the last one, okay? And we're home, okay? Grabe pag-taste ng mga bata, mga kaibigan. Jetlag na. Tatlong eroplano sinakyan namin. Manila to Hong Kong, Hong Kong to Canada, Canada to Vancouver, Vancouver to Winnipeg. Alright guys, we made it safely to Winnipeg. Kukunin na lang namin yung aming mga gamit doon na box na napakadaming box na gamit doon. Alas 5:03. Ito, papakain na naman sila. Eh, mga bata, wala. Tulog, oh. Si Bake. Sila mami, almusal. Wow! Meron tayo nga rito itlog. Tinapay. Pang ano 3 PM ang arrive natin. Ano tayo dun sa ano flight map. Nasaan na ba tayo? Flight map, where are you? Ilang oras po ba yan? Morning. How many more hours when we get to go Vancouver?
Yeah, it's just about an hour from now.
5 hours po?
Just 1 second.
Vancouver.
Yeah.
Yes, 440 miles pa ang distance. Itlog.
Anything else to drink here?
sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted. Therapy mode will now be turned off.
Alright guys, welcome to Canada na. Dito na tayo sa Vancouver.
Find key information for your connecting flight using the AirCan mobile app or by visiting aircan.com.
Okay.
For all connecting flights, for all connecting passengers, if you are connecting on any Air Canada flight today, you do not need to pick up your checked baggage unless you are advised to do so at check-in or by Canada Customs. For gate information, please refer to screens inside the terminal or consult with our colleagues on the ground. And finally, thank you for choosing Air Canada member Star Alliance for your travels today. We hope you had a pleasant flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.
Alright guys, Vancouver na. Thank you Lord for safe land. Meron pa tayong isang aeroplano papuntang Winnipeg. Jet lag na.
為咗安全起見，請留喺座位扣好安全帶，直至安全帶登到識別位置。機艙冷氣依然係嚴禁吸煙。
It's Patiti. Where are your shoes now?
如果你需要協助落機嘅話，請留喺座位，直至有限工作窗口，到時機組人員會好樂意協助你。
Guys, wear your shorts now. I sleepers. Sleepers. You're such a nice kid, okay? Turkey, your shoes. Wear it. Let's go. Thank you too. Not until next time, I guess. Until next time. Bakit palo papa? Laki ng aeroplano nito. Hindi mo talaga maramdaman yung shake, yung turbulence. Pag malaki ang aeroplano. Hindi mo maramdaman ang turbulence pag malaki ang aeroplano. Parang wala eh. Mga upuan na ay ng VIP oh. Kaganda. Pinto ng VIP. Icona. Okay. We are here.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Can I ask you something? Camera? Video camera?
Yeah. Thank you. It's camera. Let's go. Hurry up guys.
Ano sabi sa'yo, Han? Bawal mag-on?
Hindi. Is that a video camera? Sabi, yes. Sabi ko, oh yeah, that's nice. Sabi, ano nga, nakaset up na lang dyan, oh. Hindi mo na hinahawakan. That's how you do it. Ang bilisan baka malit tayo sa flight. We are here now in Canada. Bakit? Where it's supposed to be belong, right?
One more plane.
One more plane to go. Welcome to Vancouver. Bienvenue Vancouver. Hurry.
Antay mo natin si Pepe, baka mamaya.
Malate? O dito? Ay, malate, mawala.
Dahil sinasabi ko, bitpili niya isang bag na sa baba. Right here!
Whew. Teka, antayin natin.
Dala niya yung purple? Yeah.
O, tara. Andyan na pala. Baki, let's roll. One more plane to go to Winnipeg. Anong gate tayo, Han? Do not touch that, it's dirty. Thanks.
Like, watch out the steps. Okay. We will wait here for mommy. Because they're taking some time. Let's go.
Third person can go through.
I like these.
Four can go through.
Go now.
I like this.
Do the Philippine passports have PR cards?
Yes, show
Then
it.
use a PR card. I don't need to see.
Okay,
just use
there
it
is.
on the machine. Okay. Two more left, right?
Dito tayo, Hana. Habang walang nakakaano.
Okay. The kids cannot be alone.
Okay. Okay, English eh.
Diyan ako ba?
Diyan ka. Basta sundan mo lang nyo lang yung ano. Yung amin.
Oh, ito
Okay.
passport nyo.
Akin na muna yan, Han.
Here. Oh, Hana.
Scan your passport.
Oh, I
Oh, iskarin mo.
Isa lang muna, isa.
Ganyan pala yan, ha?
Oh, ginawa namin papeda dito eh.
Oh, ano yun? Self-service check-in? Ang tawag dito?
Paano ba ito? Pag
Oh,
passport.
you slide right here.
Move there, Clarky. Oh, tayo mo lang. Kanino pangalan yan? Move there, sabi.
Ay, pa, nasan ka? Take a photo.
Do not remove. Antayin mo dapat muna.
Okay.
Oh, ulitin mo. Antayin mo lang muna. Oh, antayin mo lang. Do not remove. Oh, Mr. Trinidad, that's me, which is perfect. Next. O, isa lang ba o lahat ba tayo? Take photo.
daw. Okay.
Oh. Perfect. Now, next. Add traveler. Oh, yun. Oh, scan mo na yun. Oh, Batiti.
Baki.
Batiti, where are you?
Brenda.
Do not touch a thing.
Hold on, okay?
Oh.
Take.
Add traveler. Oh, andun na palang details niya. Ang galing naman. Wow! Oh, ito na yung next. Oh.
Scan your passport up here.
Oh, yun. Yan, scanning passport.
Do not remove.
Clark is next. Oh, dun sa ilalim.
Bye, come here.
Yan. Okay, at traveler. Ang bilis naman pala nito, Han. Di mo na kailangan ano?
Di mo naman kailangan kasi nasa PR ko eh. Passport we're citizens of Canada, remember?
Makikita mo naman, ayan, pinakahuli ikaw siguro yan.
Kaya pala nagkukwit nung una.
2 for isa na lang. At traveler. Ganyan lang pala, no?
Do not remove.
Tignan nyo, baka kailangan nyo ng PR card dyan.
Pwede passport.
Hindi, kasi sabi nung ano, PR card ang kailangan nyo dyan.
Pagka pumasok ka ng ano.
Pangod ko pala. Tignan mo, saan natin?
Ulitin mo ulit. Hindi pa na ano, ulitin mo ulit. Han. Baliktad naman yata. Yung may barcode ba? Ayun. Okay, andyan na lahat. Isa lang palang picture-picturean dyan. Take photo.
Malis ka dyan,
Oh, ayan. Continue your declaration. Photo captured. Okay. Sasabihin kaya niya dyan kung saan tayo? US, other direct, other country.
I know, other country
Sim for all.
direct. Hindi naman tayo nag-USA.
Other country.
Bakit ano ka na? Sa Canada ka na eh.
Arriving from, sabi niya eh.
Other country.
Oo, yan. Click mo lahat yan. Continue. Where do you live? Winnipeg, Canada. Wala naman yatang ano dyan. Canada, oh.
Okay na.
Continue.
Saan tayo pupunta? Immigration.
How long you been away from Canada? 7 days or more. Kasi 1 month tayo eh.
Yes, you, that's your name. Yeah.
No. We are bringing into Canada para snow lahat yan kasi parang nagtatanong sila lahat. We have good, no. Unaccompanied goods including your check.
Unaccompanied goods.
Wala naman tayo yan. Ganun palang self-service check-in dito. Each traveler responsible for their own declaration under the law per year. Properly goods. Monetary instrument. Yes, certified. Yan. Please wait. Yan, ganun pala yan. Self-service check-in ba ito?
May piprint dyan.
O yan, Han. Okay. Ang buong-buo na. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
Tara, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Here's bags.
Tago mo na yan. Let's go. Bakit?
Tara na, Pai. Si Pai. Ayoko.
Ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Canada ngayon. Magsa-self-service check-in lang tayo sa bilet. Ayan guys.
Try na be Filipino, ha?
Nag-mix na yung language, di ba?
Let's go. Basta na patiti. Saan tayo ha? Nakita mo na?
Let's go, lab.
Ito, bigat mo ko. Kasang bigat pa na.
Such a nice kid. Tanungin natin yung isang to. Ayun na yun.
The receipt?
Oh, receipt, yeah. Where are we heading now?
Straight to customs.
Customs, okay. Thank you. Self-service check-in and custom. Are we any trouble? Patayin ko muna guys itong ano rito, basta immigration, bawal ito.
Tago mo na yan.
Sa custom. Punta na kami doon sa ano, aeroplano. Go. Hurry. May tubig doon.
Yung food galing sa airplane.
Hindi naman masama yun eh.
Yun.
Yes, sir.
Hindi nga masama yun, pero ano yung pagkain yun.
Kakainin natin.
Tapon na ako sa'yo. Sabi mo,
Hindi, kung depende kung anong sabihin niya.
You have anything sharp, anything breakable?
ay, the hot dog.
What? Hot dogs?
Yeah, the
I'll just take a look.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Some kind of a food.
Yeah, looks like what kind
It's our leftover.
Oh, your bag is like, Jesus. You want to open it up for me?
Yeah.
It's stuck in everywhere.
You don't want to break it, right? Careful.
Yeah, you take care of your bag. Don't break it.
Right there. Some leftover foods right there.
Oh my God. Okay, is it all food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one is fine? Yes.
Do you have any liquid food?
No.
No, we
Like
don't.
any, you know, creamy
Waters.
stuff?
No, I think we can take a look. I forget.
Nothing like curry, right?
No, I think. Some food from... It's just a fried egg, a boiled egg, I guess, from...
Okay, don't worry about it. I think you're okay.
Thank you, sir. It's such a nice guy. Right? Kasi kakain yung mga bata.
Orange? You have someone help you already, right? Nope. Who is it?
Anyone's back? I was doing an e-pack. I just came here.
Oh, is this over here?
So I
saw someone was going. She's not helping me.
I just came here.
Oh, that's yours, right?
Let's roll. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Tara. Let's go. Mamaya na yan. Let's go. Bakit ganun, Han? Mangangapana naman pala tayo. Okay, let's go to the gates. Di punta tayo sa pinaka-main. Yung, no. Wala pa bang email sa'yo, Han? Ayun yung flight natin. Ito ba yun, Han?
Yeah, AC-299.
Anong gate yan? C31 port. Sa C31, Han. C31.
77, 80.
Let's go, guys.
Oh, 77.
Batite.
Okay, now I see. I saw the other one. 6 hours? 6 hours to go. Masaya pling pay kaya
Ayun, guys. Magbo-board na kami. Oh, haba naman nung pag-aantay namin dito. Katulog at nagising na naman kami. No? 6 hours din ang pag-aantay namin dito. But anyway, ito na yung huling aeroplano. Nakakauwi na tayo sa bahay.
Parang gusto ko mag-quit.
Batite, Clark eh. You sleep well?
7.
Boarding na tayo. Let's go now. Pick up everything.
27.
Just go to that.
Go with mommy. Hurry up, Baki. Let's go, let's go. Baki, here. Show your face here with the Mr. Officer.
Come here, you go now. They punch you. Excuse me, ito talaga ng captain. Baby, so long. It's so long, we're going there. Hindi ka na kinig yung captain. Ano yun? I want to go long. Did you went to the Angelo line? Yeah. Or did you cut?
Let's go with Baki.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go now. Go now, go.
You're tired, Baki? Baki? Are you tired? Everybody tired?
If there's people that you are going to talk not good, you better turn to one. Okay?
Let's take the
Papa will bring our passport.
Get over there. Give me
Oh, Captain Ana, not here.
I'm just here.
Sisingit pa.
Okay, you cannot cut the line. Go to the back. See? It's okay. We're punctual. Ladies first.
Wi-Fi on board.
Walang naiwan, cellphone. Nakaka-charge ko ng cellphone. O, yun, Pao?
Wala naman dito. Ito. So, dito siya.
37 pa. Hindi kasi pwede mamili eh. Alam niyo yun, pero yung style nila yung mag-check-in na eh. Magang mag-check-in.
Show it to them. Lining up the bridge. Thank you.
37.
Have a good flights. Ito, VIP dito. Medyo maluwang-luwang ang upuan nila. No? Kasi, oh, yun eh. Tulad nun. Saktong-saktong upuan. Okay.
Si Baki. Si Baki.
Nandun na. Nauna. Mahirap niyan kung madili ang bakay.
Stop pushing me. Oh, it's sorry. That was me. No. See, they're pushing me.
Welcome aboard Air Canada, member of the Star Alliance. For your safety and comfort, please store your carry-on baggage in the overhead bins, and place your personal item or any item under the Wi-Fi tag on the seat in front of you. Thank you for helping your travel with us escape, comfortable, unknown time. Please note the exit on this aircraft identified with the green symbol. There are also indicated directions to the exit. Locate the exit nearest to you.
Lahat ng 27.
Bienvenue à bord d'Air Canada, membre de réseau Star Alliance. Pour votre sécurité et votre confort, veuillez ranger les articles photo et l'étiquette blanche, les sacs à dos, les sacs à main sur le siège devant vous et les valises à roulettes dans les coffres supérieurs. Merci de les aider à assurer un vol sécuritaire et confortable. À bord de cet appareil, les entraînes de sortie comportent un symbole vert et flèches indiquent la direction si nous serons à l'issue. Veuillez repérer les issues le plus proche de vous au moyen de ces symboles verts. Merci.
Alright you guys, dito na tayo sa loob ng plane na naman. Nakakapagod ng kaka-aeroplano to. Ay, nako. Did you guys set your seat belt on?
Yeah.
Bakit? Where? Let me see.
Hey. He's watching Scooby-Doo.
Move a little there. There.
No, that's too small.
Of course you're so small, that's why you don't need the ano.
Boarding complete. Cabin crew, please ensure cabin bags will be stolen and confirmed.
Alright you guys, dito na tayo sa Himpapawid ulit. This is the last one, okay? And we're home, okay? Grabe pagtitaste ng mga bata, mga kaibigan. Jet lag na. Tatlong eroplano sinakyan namin. Manila to Hong Kong, Hong Kong to Canada, Canada to Vancouver, Vancouver to Winnipeg. Dito jet lag. Okay, Vancouver to Winnipeg. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo. In about few minutes maglaland na tayo. Yes! Mga bata tulog oh. Patiti. Alright guys, we are here in Winnipeg. Unbuckle your seatbelt now. Unbuckle seatbelt, Larky.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Ay, hindi pala ako naka-seatbelt. Unbuckle your seatbelt, Batiti. Yeah. Give me high five.
Arrival cross-check.
High five. Okay, let's go. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Welcome back, Winnipeg. Yes, ma'am. Bye-bye. Go, hurry. 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 They will leave you behind if you, they will leave you behind. Hurry, Clarky. We will leave back, eh? Oh, hurry up, hurry up.
Come on, run. Run faster.
Hurry up, hurry up. Whew.
Alright guys, we made it safely to Winnipeg. Kukunin na lang namin yung aming mga gamit doon na box na napakadaming box na gamit doon. Masaya. Masaya rin yung 1 month. Kahit na ganun nakakapagod, nasaya rin. Sobrang saya pa rin. Hurry up, Clark. Hurry up, Clarky, please. Andyan na ba sila, Han? Baggage claim. Hurry up. Hurry up with mommy. Hurry up. Ito. Alright, Baki. Itong anak ko na to, kawawa naman. Sinong parang pamilyar rito? Anong bagong dating kayo?
Kami. Kami, pagdating namin dito, diba?
Dito rin ba? May COVID pa noon. COVIDan pa noon.
Ay, sino ba nag-surprise sa amin? Kahit dalawa na kumamit sa
Jaguar, oh. Namimigay. The bossing! Kumusta? Kasama sa vlog.
Nakikita ko kayo sa Facebook
Ito. Lakay tracker kasama natin si. Walang
RJ ko.
RJ, oh, ayan. Kararating lang namin eh. Ikaw,
Sa trackers, no?
Lakay tracker. Kararating ikaw ba? May biyahe ka o may naantay ka?
Hindi lang po kami.
Oh, okay.
Nakita ko yung nagbakasyon kayo sa Pinas eh.
Oo, nakasubaybay ka. Oo, nakita mo, saktong-sakto pala. Oo. So parang dito lang muna kami.
Sige.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sige, ingat ka, kabayan.
Ingat ka, kabayan.
Bye-bye na lang, kaibigan. Sige. Ay, pagod na pagod yung mga bata. Haba, connecting flight. Sige, kaibigan.
Huwag ka nang sumilas kasi meron kami.
Diyan ba tayo?
Meron kami nagsusundo. Vancouver Beach.
Ayan guys,
Pero dito.
aabangan na lang namin yung ano.
Bakit? Sabi niya, ano lang daw. Andyan siya, pupunta na daw siya. Sabi ko, huwag na nga susundo na namin doon sa sakyan.
Si? O di pupuntahin mo kung gusto ko na agad makita. Parang problema yun sa amin. Here go. Tumulong dito, Pai. Ay, Pai. Kumusta? Oh, ayan pala. Sige. Oh, puro box yung andun.
Ilang dalawang box?
14 yata. Hi. Salamat naman at naka ano kayo?
Okay lang.
Oh.
Terus na.
Okay lang. Ano to? Jetlag na yung mga bata. Oh.
Hi. Gusto na? Sleepy na.
Hindi mo makilala yung iyo. Baka hindi natin makilala yung atin. Marami-rami. Kung ano yung binalik namin nung nagpunta kami rito, ganun din.
Ito rin ang ginamit ninyo?
Oo, pagbalik.
Talagang durog yan.
Wala na eh. Kita mo, parang ano na nga eh. Lantang gulay na siya. O yan. So, bring it down.
That's my loan. Yung mga pinapay.
Oh, lagay niyo doon.
Paganto mo.
Yan. Oh, yan. Ilan pa? Ito pa lang. Ay! Nice to meet you guys. Ito pa. Oh, here. Bring it there. Hurry up. Ingat. Ah. Ito pa.
Yak. Pira pa yan. Meron pa yung iba. Meron pa yung iba. Ayo, sige.
Hindi worth it. Dapat tela, magandang tela.
Oo. Okay, thank you. Ayan.
O, lakay. Sasakay ka dito sa kanya.
Oh, sige, sige.
Kay Kuya Ray.
Oo.
Tapos, yung sila kay Ryan, lahat sila sasakay sa'yo. Tapos yung mga babae.
Oh, sige. Let's go, let's go.
Where?
Tumulong ka na lang doon kay Ate Papa. Ayan guys. Marami-rami. Sige kabayan, ingat. Sige. Okay. Andyan din si Carlos. Ayun yata labasan oh. Ay, sa taas ba tayo? Oh.
Labas dito na ako. Diyan na si Carlos.
Yung ibang mga gamit. Dali mo na yan din. Gaano paypay? Naipit ang bake. Sige, mamaya na lang kami.
Okay na.
Hey. Do not cry, Baki, ah. No more crying, Baki. I know. Hindi naman niya sinadya eh. Ikaw talaga, Baki. Napagod na rin kasi yan. Patig na rin kasi. Nakakapagod din kasi. Oo.
Wala yung biyahe namin. Connecting flight. Kasi kinancel yung yung direct eh.
Ano ibig pa sana kami, hindi na afford yun. Masyado ng maraming bills na kailangang magsimulang magbayad. Okay. Guys, we made it safely and sound. Okay, ako na yung isa anak. Oh, yan. At maraming salamat din sa kila kuya. Dahil nag-effort silang sunduin kami. Thank you talaga kuya. Sige lang. Sige lang man. Thank you. At si Ivy. Ivy, thank you ha. Si kuya. Ayan. We made it safely kahit paano sa awa ni Lord. Mga damit-damit lang. Buksan mo na doon sa looban. Pasok muna sila. Okay. Biglang taas ng damo.
Siyempre.
Damuhin. Ay, dyan na lang muna yan. Siguro, ewan ko, ano ba sabi ni Ellen? Papasok ba sa loob?
Kaya nga sa airport.
Kompleto tayo?
Yung bote na water bottle.
Hindi, nilagay ko sa anuhan. Nandyan sa bag. Ayan. Oops. Tara sa loob. Sinil, there's more there. Hinatid nyo lang talaga kami. Thank you very much Meron pa yatang minutong pampainit. Ay, Diyos ko, salamat Ivy. Kay kuya. Nong, thank you Nong.
Thank you.
Oh, sige kuya.
Thank you.
Bye na. Salamat sa efforts nyo pagpunta rito. Kapatid sa inyo, Unong. Sige Nong, thank you Nong. Bye. Thank you. Sige, ingat kuya.
Thank you.
Ivy, thank you.
Okay. Sige.
Okay, bye na.
Pahinga na. Good night, Clark.
Okay.
Pahinga na kayo. Pahinga na.
Bukas ulit. Alright. Salamat, maraming salamat. Tara. Alright.
Sarado ko muna.
Bitawan na. Let's go, let's go. Tara, Carlos.
Alright guys, ayan, we made it safely. Siguro puputulin ko na yung video vlog natin dito guys. Thank you again for watching, no? At masaya na nakakapagod
And also,
yung
guys,
yung biyahe namin.
Hindi ka magstay sa loob.
Once again guys, kapag nagustuhan natin yung video vlog natin, share lang. Ayun.
and also, can you guys just subscribe and like the button?
Yes, guys, thank you. Napagod. Pahinga muna kami. Pagod na pagod kami. Bye-bye. We made it safely. Thank you, Lord. Peace up.
Lakay Pinoy Tracker.